In this video, I will show you how to amend or cancel an electronically filed slip using the T5 as an example. To do this, click on Forms in the toolbar and navigate to the appropriate slip. On the return page, look for the report code box. For the T5, this is box 21. As you can see, currently it is set to O Original. To change this, double-click the box. This list will contain the status options relevant to the current slip. For this example, I will choose A Amended. Once you have changed the status of the slip, you can click Close. Next, you will need to electronically resubmit this form. To do this, click Electronic Filing, and in this case, I will choose Canada Revenue Agency. On the electronic filing page, select the return type that you are amending or canceling. In Step 4, click the drop-down for Select Status of Slips to be submitted. Choose the option that corresponds to the status you selected for the slip. Proceed to complete your electronic filing, or follow the instructions in our electronic filing QuickHelp video. This has been another AvanTax eForms QuickHelp video. For more information, please visit our website at avantax.ca